Okay, so we just joined the training hut and I noticed something. There is a live gameplay of Jurassic World Evolution 2. So I thought maybe the Fidgets could try it. So, let's go get one of the Fidgets. Oh wait, they're over here. Which Fidget should try it first? Okay, this was actually just an ad because Jurassic World Evolution 2 just came out today. I'm really psyched about it. I cannot wait until I unlock Sandbox and the Mosasaurus and the Dimorphodons. I call them Dimorphodons. Okay, sorry. Okay, now time for the real video. Time to go scam some people. Whoa! Oh! Hey, watch it, kid. Sorry, I was just going over here to scam this person. You were trying to scam this person? I know them from the hunting event, remember? I actually want to help you scam that person. Wait, are you a hacker? Yes, I am. Let's go help you scam that person. Let's visit the training hut. These are some nice poppets. Let's play with one.
Well, I also think because I keep the shave and now they do for a haircut.
Huh? I can't pop the bubbles. That's so weird. Where are my fidgets? And my inventory doesn't even have any more of my poppets. Where is it? Oh, wait. It must be a hacker. Wait, the scammer from the hunting event. They must have collabed with like a hacker or something. A hacker can't do that. Gotta figure out a plan. I just got an idea. But it'll involve a dinosaur. Jurassic World Evolution 2 will help me.
Huh? Because it makes you look good.
Now let's go get my fidgets back. What the heck is that? How would I know? Yeah, I'm out of here. Take your poppets back. I'm out. Easiest prank of my life. Well, let's check our inventory. It looks like my poppets are back. And all my fidgets. Well, that's good. Thanks to the Jurassic World franchise, Jurassic World saved my poppets. See you guys in the next skit. See ya.